Hi to everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make decorative lamp from the cardboard. Firstly, we will make triangle shaped pattern from the paper. And now let's cut it. And I made decorative figure pattern, you see. And now I will draw the holes of the pattern onto the cardboard, but firstly I will sign 5 points. It is the places of the triangles, and we'll join them. Now it's ready, and now I will draw the holes of the pattern, but firstly I will cut the pattern. And that's all. And now let's get started to draw the holes of the figure. The first part is ready, and let's draw the second part and the third part. And that's all. And let's cut the figures. And we get tracery, and I will scrape the lines to make easy folding. You see, I fold it. And that's all, we got it. And now I will glue them. And now I will glue the edges of the triangles. And that's all. And now this is the other pattern. It's pyramid shape too. Let's glue it. And it's the pattern for the lamp socket. Little triangle. I will paste it onto the pyramid, but firstly I have to cut the place for it. And that's all. Now let's glue it onto the pyramid. And I will try. It works and looks very good. That's good. And now I will color it with the red color, but you can choose other colors, but I liked red. And that's it, we got it. Our decorative lamp from the cardboard is ready. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.